Brad Garlinghouse, Chris Larson almost shutting down Ripple when they were sued by the SEC. Listen to this explosive.
Hold on. He didn't say Ripple almost lost. He said Ripple almost dissolved itself and mailed the XRP out. That's not a war story. That's a disclosure.
Clip.
I mean, we almost decided to shut down the company when the SEC sued us.
Sued December 22nd, 2020. 4 years of infinite resources against one company.
We were like, like the government has infinite power and resources, and
the fear was real, and so was the bill. 125 million ordered in August 2024.
And again, they were so Chris Larson, who's the chairman of the company and the co-founder, and he and I have had a great partnership for a lot of years. And both of us were like, do we want to, what's the right answer here? And,
two men in a room deciding what happens to your bag.
We could have shut it down and distributed. The company owns a lot of XRP. You just distribute the XRP to shareholders on a pro rata basis. End of story.
There it is. Distribute the XRP pro rata. End of story. Your bag existed at the pleasure of a cap table. Roughly 38 billion of the 100 billion pre-mined XRP still sits in their escrow.
Okay, you guys think these are securities. Ripple doesn't own it anymore. Ripple's gone. Now, hundreds of people would have lost their jobs.
Ripple's gone, so it isn't a security. The legal defense and the holder's nightmare are one sentence.
I think that was a bad outcome, but in some ways it was the easier outcome. Yeah. And that was a difficult decision, and obviously I'm glad in retrospect, but that was not.
Credit where due, he took the hard road, saved hundreds of jobs, and won. But he had a choice. Nobody can vote Bitcoin's 450 coins a day into a shareholder payout. I stack the schedule, not the promise.